Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made a kayak trailer out of PVC. I used a heat gun to bend the PVC around the kayak. I made this piece go down in this channel, and these two pieces hold it by the drain holes. It comes apart in sections, and I reassemble it with these pins. The kayaks slide in and lock into place. I attach it to my bike using an air fitting. And this piece is part of a steering column from a car. But these eyelets and coupling will also work. Now let's give it a try. Okay, I've got the camper loaded down and we're headed to Riverside RV Resort, located in Arcadia, Florida, right on the Peace River. Time to unpack. It's actually pretty easy to tow. It was a big hit at the boat ramp. I had people taking pictures and asking questions. Of course, I had to show them how it works. Well, I think the kayak trailer's maiden voyage was a success. Now let's head back to camp. Time to cool off in the pool. Maybe a little evening entertainment. Now let's end the night with a movie and some popcorn. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.